Y'all, guess what I got? Y'all remember my video with the Wise versus Dyson vacuum with 27 million views? Your girl done got a new vacuum. She has a robot vacuum and we about to test it out. Yeah, it got my nail. I've been looking all over for this nail. OMG. Let's go ahead and get her powered up and ready to clean.
Starting cleaning.
She was like, move, get out my way. I am the new vacuum in town. I would like to add that she never gets stuck. The last one I had, I threw it out within a week because it kept getting stuck everywhere and it wouldn't complete the job. She never gets stuck. Okay, so let's see what she got.
Dust is removed.
Oh, wow. Look at that. She got a lot. Wow, it got a lot. Yeah, it got my nail. I've been looking all over for this nail. OMG. And my hands is ashy. Wow, look at that. It got debris from the kitchen. It got hair. Y'all, this thing, one day, got all of this. Check this out. It's linked in the video.